Hi, I'm Caitlin Bronsky, the owner of the Elite Home Team at eXp Realty. Buying or selling a home is not only a major investment, it's a very personal one, and I understand that. We all work hard to make a living, and investing your hard-earned money into real estate can be scary and it can be stressful, which is why it is so important to choose an agent to safely guide you through the process. When you work with me and the Elite Home Team, you're partnering with a dedicated and experienced professional who puts your needs first. With over 12 years of full-time real estate experience, I have a proven track record as a top-performing agent, and I'm also a certified investor agent specialist as well as a pricing strategies analyst. Now, my background in home building, renovations, and my own personal real estate investing experience ensures that I can provide a strategic, results-driven approach for every transaction. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a seasoned investor, or you're looking to sell a luxury property, I prioritize your goals, leveraging my deep market knowledge and my extensive network to maximize your investment. I don't just sell homes, I create opportunities, and I'm committed to making your real estate experience seamless, profitable, and stress-free. When you choose the Elite Home Team, you will receive expert guidance and a partner who truly has your best interests at heart. My goal is to become your trusted real estate advisor for life.